OKX is the world's most powerful crypto exchange. To unlock all of its features, you need to verify your identity. The process is called Know Your Customer, or KYC. OKX has 2 KYC levels. For Level 1, you need to provide your full name, nationality, and ID document number. For Level 2, we'll check your photo ID and a selfie. Once you complete Level 2, you'll have full access to OKX, the world's most powerful crypto trading platform. Here's how to do it. Click Identity Verification from the main menu. Click Verify and enter your full name. Then choose your ID type and enter the document number. To get full access to OKX, we need your photo ID and selfie. On-screen instructions will guide you through snapping a photo of your ID. When you have your ID ready to photograph, click Get Started. Share photos of your ID, front and back. Next, take a selfie. And that's it. Once we confirm your info, you'll have full access to OKX, the world's most powerful crypto exchange.